I think the bees might be saying something today, like, "Hey Richard, come pull these weeds. Clean up this bee yard." They keep running into the weeds, sure enough. Yeah, they're kind of covered up there. Not a lot of space to fly in and out. Things get going. I'm gonna have to come out here and do something about that. The good news is they're all flying. Yes, sir. Look at that, there's pollen coming in. What's up with that? I thought we were supposed to be in a dearth. Well, maybe not. Can't believe there's pollen coming in already this morning. But there it was.